How far my people? What'n day happen? Today I bring Una the real king of the road, Volvo FH500, 6x2, 2020 year model. Omo, forget all those Scania way Una day argue about every day. This Volvo na the proper horse way go finish work and still day strong. Scania fit day fine for some people, but when he comes to reliability, durability and no walla, Volvo day beat him clean. No day waste time with breakdown every month. This one na real workhorse. 752,000 kilometers day on the clock, but day fresh like new. Just finished full service, new brake discs, fresh oil and filters. Rama no get even one spot of corrosion, no accident, no hidden defect, geometry day perfect. Factory paint still day shine. Powered by D13K engine, 500 solid horsepower. Automatic transmission, VEB plus engine brakeway go save your brake pads, 490 liters tank, adaptive cruise control, xenon lights, fridge, coffee machine, television, everything way driver need to enjoy the journey. Full air suspension, wheelbase 430 centimeters, tires, front 40%, rear 90%. This horse Don already get all certificates and documents ready for Lagos Port or Mombasa. Customs go smooth, no stories. You fit pay by bank transfer or USDT, TRC, 20 or TON, easy like that. Make I tell you the truth, if you serious about business, if you want truck way go hustle hard and no go day give you headache, leave Scania for those way like drama. This Volvo na the champion. Contacts day for profile header, WhatsApp day on screen right now, Telegram channel for the pinned comment. Oya, who day ready to own this beast? Drop interested or Volvo gang for comment. No day sleep on this one, sharp. This na real deal, no cap.